Before we begin our journey, I'd like to pass along some important railroad safety information. First, please place all small children towards the center of the coach away from the sides of the train. Second, please remain seated with your arms, hands, and legs inside of the train at all times. And third, are strictly prohibited coming from Roberson. This compact coach features a rocking speed of 50 miles per hour in amazing Roberson makes its home. Tommy Davis is a working steam locomotive. Rotating as the roller coaster to your right. Please remain seated until the train comes way to pull into the stop, and I verbally tell you that it is safe to exit. Once again, please remain seated until I tell you that it is safe to exit. Right, you're good to exit to your left up the stairs.